Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your email address in the Wish application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the three lines at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then just click on the account settings button. And then click on the change email address button. Here you can see your current email address, so just type in your new one and then confirm it. And then just type your Wish password, and once everything is there, just click on the Save Changes button and your email address is changed. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.